In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and edit your Google Chrome homepage shortcuts updated. To begin, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, create a new tab so you can view your homepage shortcuts. On this screen, you will see the shortcut tiles displayed near the center of the page. Next, move your mouse over the shortcut that you want to change or delete. When you hover over that tile, a More icon will appear in the top right corner of the shortcut. This icon looks like 3 dots. Click the 3-dot More icon to open the shortcut options. From here, you will have 2 choices depending on what you want to do. If you want to update the shortcut, select Edit Shortcut. This will let you change the shortcut name or the website address. After making your changes, review the information carefully to make sure everything is correct. A small typo in the web address can stop the shortcut from opening the right site, so it is a good idea to double-check it before finishing. If you want to remove the shortcut instead, click Remove from the same menu. This will delete the shortcut from your homepage. That is really all there is to the process. Open a new tab, hover over the shortcut, click the 3 dots, and then choose whether you want to edit it or remove it. It is quick, easy, and a useful way to keep your Chrome homepage set up the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.